what is the most common and effective way to rank on Google.com today? Well, let me tell you, it is still high-quality content. Yes, that's right. Content is still king, and it has not been dethroned. But creating high-quality content still takes a ton of hours if you decide to create it yourself, or hundreds of dollars if you decide to outsource it. But I got some great news for you. There is a Google's hidden loophole we have recently discovered pertaining to high-quality content that will turn things totally to your advantage. Did you know AI can generate high-quality content in less than half of the time an expert writer in any subject can do? But more shocking is the fact that Google has already agreed on accepting content generated by AI. Yes, that's right. The great news is Google rewards high-quality content. However, it is produced, including from AI. No more investing a ton of hours to create high-quality content. No more investing a ton of money paying someone to do it either. AI can do it all for you, and let me show you how. Welcome to Covert AI, world's first ChatGPT 4.0 app that hacks Google's hidden loophole, creating high-quality content in just seconds, banking us huge money on a regular basis. In this video, I will show you something you probably have never seen before. You will watch me right now, over my shoulder, creating a brand new and profit-making website from start to finish in less than 10 minutes, including high-quality content. I will do domain research, get hosting, install a DFI professional-looking and high-converting WordPress theme, smart categories research and creation, create the legal pages in seconds, and even create high-quality SEO-optimized content, including images and videos in seconds, and with the power of advanced AI. Ready? Let's get started. Let's start by getting some awesome domain name ideas within the parenting niche. Awesome. Let's see which of these domains are available for purchase. As you can see, all these available domains look just awesome. I love this one. Now let me show you where to get some WordPress hosting. Hostinger offers one of the best user experiences on buying domain and WordPress hosting, which you can do by yourself. Now let me continue the process by using my parenting demo WordPress website I installed specially for this demo video. Okay, awesome. I just got my awesome looking domain name and WordPress hosting, and now I'm inside my WordPress dashboard. You can enjoy the Covert AI power with your existing WordPress website by using the Covert AI plugin, or you could also enjoy it even more by using the Covert AI DFI website. Let me show you how to do it with the Covert AI DFI website. So let's download it. To install this website, I need to install a WordPress plugin called All-in-One WP Migration. And activate it. Let's now import our website. And let's install it. Great. And there you have it, a clean and nice looking website. Now let's connect it to the Covert AI platform. Well, that was quick, and let's add some categories to it. We are going to do it with the power of advanced AI as well. And we can even add the categories to WordPress from here. And there you have them. Let's add them to the primary menu. And there they are. Let's now create the legal pages, which is one of the most difficult tasks of creating a website. You simply need to fill out this form with your personal and website info. And there you have your legal pages with your exact personal and website information ready to be published, 100% created with the power of AI in just seconds. Let's publish them with just a click. It can't get any easier than this. And let's add them to the footer menu. And there they are. And what about the content? Well, let's also do it with the power of advanced AI. Let's start by using these prompts right here to communicate with our super smart AI writer to create some extraordinary high-quality content. Here you just need to copy and paste. Let's copy the first prompt and paste it here. Let's replace the topic word for a category of our website and hit on the Send button. Awesome. Let's now copy the second prompt and use it with the title of our choice to get some keyword ideas for SEO purposes. Well, fellows, this is too hard to believe, right? But this is what we call advanced AI. Let's finally copy this last prompt to write our detailed and informative article for the title of our choice. 100% SEO optimized. Fellows, this is mind-blowing, don't you think? Hard to believe, but you have just seen it in front of your eyes. Well, now let's get it to the content poster. And there you can see the content of your post. First, let's go up and give our campaign a name. Now let's cut the title of the post from here and add it right here. For the featured image, we can search for images using AI or from Pixabay. Or you can also upload it from your computer. And here in the post content, you are able to customize the post itself for SEO purposes, like adding heading tags to it. This text editor right here is quite flexible. Besides formatting the whole text as much as you need, you can also add links, images, and videos. And not only that, you can also select a particular paragraph and be able to rewrite it with AI. How cool is that? You can then decide to post instantly or schedule your post. You then select your website, Select an existing category or create a new one from here as well. Select an existing tag or create a new one too. And finally, post it. And there you have it. It took me just a few minutes to create high-quality, mobile responsive content with this amazing, powerful AI weapon. How cool is that? As you can see, the profit-generating potential of this simple yet extremely powerful app is just amazing. But I can't show it all in just this short demo video. That's why we decided to create a VIP training, which consists of an over-the-shoulder premium training that will show you step-by-step how to make money with Covert AI the quick and easy way. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you're looking to take advantage of the world's first ChatGPT 4.0 app that hacks Google's hidden loophole, creating high-quality content in just seconds, banking you huge money on a regular basis, then try Covert AI today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.